Hey, what's up, IF family? This is Josh again with another episode of 10 ways to use our raw banana brittle. This is gonna be one of our more classic episodes. What we're gonna do is use two of our products. This is our raw sprouted walnut butter, and this is our raw banana brittle.
So as you see here, this is the pick and dip section of this video. We like our banana brittle thickly coated with our sprouted walnut butter. It kind of reminds me of having cheese and crackers. As always, enjoy.
So I like to eat these two together when I'm on the go or when I'm just at home and I need a snack, right? So brittle, walnut butter, can't go wrong. Thank you for joining us for another episode of 10 ways to use your raw banana brittle. Peace.